Okay, I'm going to show you how to change the oil, Joan. First thing you want to do is put this switch on off and pull this little fuse next to it. Very important. You might accidentally turn it on when the oil's out. If it's not in there, it'll damage it. So just put it aside. You open the lid. You just lift this up. This comes off like nothing. Open up the oil thing here on the top where the oil goes in, and then you find this little thing that's sitting right here. You get a container and unscrew this little thing here, this cap, put it aside, and that's it. The oil comes out. Just have to wait till it's done. Okay, so it all drained out. You know, sometimes I tape a little weight to this so it just holds it and I come back later. This is the messy part, but if you put a piece of cardboard in here like this and you just unscrew this with your hand, it should never be more than hand tightened. Gotta make sure you push this in there so it doesn't drip everywhere like I just did. And open this thing. Normally I don't wear gloves, but in this case, Maria sees it, she's going to get mad at me. I got dirty hands, and I touched oil, and I got to touch my camera afterwards, so here we go. Just empty that out. I'm just going to throw it in there for now. And let it drip. So all the oil's out. I usually like to wipe it before I unscrew it. Get rid of the dust and dirt. And that's it. You can let every drop come out if you like, but it's not gonna, it doesn't get that dirty anyway. So make that stay for a minute. Need a lot of paper towels. I'm not exactly the cleanest guy in the world. But you take the new oil filter, like that. Yeah, you know what? I don't care. Take this off. Take the seal off. You put a little oil around the rubber part here with your finger. Doesn't matter, the dirty oil is not that dirty. Just go around and around, screw it in there, and guess what? We're 99% done. Just hand tighten is all you need, like that, that's it. Wipe it off. I didn't even spill any actually. There we go. And the next thing you do is you put, it's 1.9 quarts. So actually it's 2 quarts. I don't know why they do 1.9. So you keep out a little drop at the end. So that's 4 cups. I don't have, there's no other way to measure this thing. Unless you bought the quart one, then you know exactly what it is. So it's so hard to see on the dipstick. I'm just going to use these. So you got 4 of these. Okay, one thing I forgot to tell you is before you put the new one on, pour a little oil in it. Maybe halfway, and screw it on. It's really a good idea actually. And then you can finish pouring it in with a funnel. Makes it a lot easier too. So this is my second cup, second 2 cups. The total needs 2 cups. 2 quarts. There's 3. And this is 4. If I'm not sure, I can go back on the video. Actually, I should put a little bit less than 4. Maybe I spilled that much, who knows. That's good. The clear oil is like really super hard to see on the dipstick. I think I'll leave out about that. You think that's a 1/10? Yeah, that's close enough. I'm not going to Mars. Wrong cap. That's it. It's done. Put the fuse back in. And turn it back on for a couple of seconds. Just kind of make sure it doesn't spill any. Nothing happens. Tighten this up. Put that back in there. Stick the fuse back in. Here's what the fuse looks like. Just right next to the switch. Right? And how about we're not sucking the rags? Okay, let's do it again. All done. Okay, just in case you have trouble putting the cover back on, it's really simple. There's just 2 little tabs on the bottom. Put those tabs in the little holes. Lift it up. That's it, done. Make sure you put it back on auto. In the past I forgot. That's it. Piece of cake.